Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Saya Nanang Febrian akan mempresentasikan hasil kerja saya Project 1 UTS. Topik yang saya pilih ada dua. Yang pertama ada malicious program dan yang kedua ada hardware. Oke, langsung saja ke slide-nya. One, malicious program. Malware converts malicious programs which are specifically designed to delete, block, modify, or copy data, or to disrupt the performance of computer and or computer network. This class includes virus worm, trojans, and other programs used to automatically conduct malicious activity. Hacking tools, constructor which can be used to create polymorphic code attach. Next, virus and worm. Virus and worm are malicious programs that self-replication on computer or via computer network without the user being aware. A subsequent copy of such malicious program is also able to self-replicate. Malicious program which spread via network or infect remote machine when commanded to do so by the owner. Backdoors are programs that create multiple copies that are unable to self-replicate are not part of the virus and worm subclass. The main characteristic used to determine whether or not a program is classified as a spare before within the virus and worm. Subclass is how the program progresses. How now malicious program spreads copies of itself via local or network resource. Any program within the subclass can be additional Trojan function. It should also be noted that many worms use more than one method in order to spread copies via network. The rules for classifying detected objects with multiple functions should be used to classify these types of worm. Next, Trojans. Trojans are malicious programs that perform actions which are not authorized by the user. They delete, block, modify, or copy data, and they disrupt the performance of computers or computer network. Unlike virus and worm, the threats that fall into this category are unable to make copies of themselves or self-replicate. Trojans are classified according to the type of action they perform on an infected computer. Next, suspicious picker. Malicious programs are frequently compressed or packed using a variety of methods combined with file encryption in order to prevent reverse engineering of the program and to hinder analysis of program behavior with proactive and heuristic method. Antivirus program detect the result of the action of suspicious picker, e.g. packet item. There are ways to prevent packet file from being unpacked. For example, the packer might not decipher the code fully only to the extent that is executed, or it might fully describe and launch a malicious program only on a certain day the week. Next, malicious tool. Malicious tools are malicious programs designed to automatically create virus, worm, or trojans, conduct DOS attack on remote server, hack other computers, etc. Unlike virus, worm, and trojans, malware in this subclass does not present a direct threat to the computer it's run on, and the program's malicious payload is only delivered on the direct order of the user. Next. Hardware. 1. General definition of hardware. Hardware refers to the physical components of a computer system that can be seen and touched. Without hardware, a computer cannot function because all computational process and user interaction occur through physical device. Common examples of hardware include monitor, keyboard, mic, printers, CPU, and hard drive. This term is different from the software, which refers to the program or operating system that's run on the computer. Next, hardware. Main function of hardware in a computer system. The primary function of hardware is to support the input, processing, and output of data within a computer system. For example, when a user types on a keyboard input, the data is processed by the CPU processing, and the result is displayed on a monitor output. In this way, hardware serves and the physical medium through which computer receive commands and process information and deliver result to user. 3. Classification of type of hardware. Hardware can be categorized based on the function such as input device, tool used to enter data into the computer like keyboard, mouse, scanner, and webcam. 2. Processing device components that process data such as the CPU, Central Processing Unit, and GPU, Graphic Processing Unit. Output device. Equipment use the display or output data like monitor, printer, and speaker. Storage device. Tools for storing data including hard drive, SSD, flash drive, and optical disk. Peripheral devices. Additional devices that support the computer function such as modem, UPS unit, and external cameras. Next, the relationship 4. The relationship between hardware and software. Hardware and software are interdependent. Software is give instruction to the hardware to perform specific tasks. Without software, hardware cannot operate because there will be no programs or commands to run. On the other hand, software cannot function without hardware since it needs a physical system to operate. This relationship creates a unified computer system that work together to perform a wide range of functions from professional work and education to gaming and communication. Jika banyak kekurangan dan kata-kata saya banyak yang kurang, mohon maaf. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Before I go, 10 minutes, she told me it would take 10 minutes to break